Tell if there's a glare on the screen or not. Still got no muffler on it.
I raced an Audi R8 yesterday. I don't know if he was
what?
racing. Came out the gas
on the
station.
track?
No.
Oh, I was gonna say.
I came out of a gas station and I'm driving and I was like doing this towards the red light. And the light turned green, so I started driving like this. I heard him going, but it didn't sound like he downshifted, but he didn't shift after whatever gear he was in.
I get what you're saying.
But I was full like, and I'm right beside him the whole time, like.
Feels like we're in a rocket ship. Josh feels like a spaceship, like from outer space. This feels like the rocket that takes you through space. So pumped, you know, you feel everything. Like how a rocket would. I assume that's how a rocket would. Oh yeah, you also upgraded the upgraded this, doesn't have this. Oh, it does. Oh, and what's inside there, you upgraded this. Oh, the Civic with a snorkel. Did you see that? Holy shit, I don't even know what the speed was. What the? We'll have to check that. Really?
Smash your hoe, but it's nicely. Yeah, smash your hoe, but politely. I think that she like me. Why? Cause my diamonds be too icy.